Ladies and gentlemen, gather around, because today we're talking about a car so elegant, it's practically wearing a tuxedo while driving through a red carpet event. I'm talking about the BMW 507, a car so beautiful, it might make you question why you're still driving that rust bucket of yours. Picture this, a car so rare, it makes unicorns look common. There were only 252 of these built, and if you think I'm exaggerating, ask any collector or rich guy with too much time on their hands. Before we go any further, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Seriously, if you want to keep hearing about these epic machines, you're going to want to stay in the loop. Subscribe, like, and buckle up, because we're about to get into this rare gem. Now, let's talk about this car's specs. The BMW 507 comes with a 3.2-liter V8 engine, delivering 150 horsepower. That's right, 150 horses under the hood. Just enough to get you from 0 to, wow, this is a dream car, in no time. Sure, it won't break any speed records, but give it a little time, and it'll make you feel like you're driving a rocket ship on wheels. You can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 62 miles per hour, in about 11.1 seconds. And don't even get me started on the top speed. 196 kilometers per hour, about 122 miles per hour. That's faster than your uncle's stories about the good old days, and probably faster than you'll ever go in your life, unless you're driving a BMW 507. Now, the fun part. The price. This beauty was recently listed at an eye-watering 2 million euros. About 2.12 million United States dollars at the RM Sotheby's auction in Paris. Yep, you read that right. 2 million euros. You know, the kind of money that makes you wonder if you should just move to a small island and live off coconuts. But hey, if you've got the cash lying around, why not buy a piece of history, right? I mean, this car was owned by none other than Elvis Presley himself. Yep, the king of rock and roll had one of these. So, if you've ever wanted to drive a car that makes you feel like a celebrity, this is your chance. And just to make you feel even more jealous, this particular 1958 model was restored for 6 years. 6 years! That's longer than some marriages last. And it comes with a removable hardtop, spare fuel tanks, and body panels. Seriously, this car is so well equipped, it's practically ready for the apocalypse. Forget about the end of the world. This car can handle it all. So, if you're looking to add some serious style to your life and have a few million to spare, the BMW 507 is your ticket to automotive royalty. Remember, there's a link under the YouTube video to become a sponsor of our channel. Because if you're spending this much on a car, you might as well throw in a little sponsorship love while you're at it. And don't forget, the official auction website is linked in the video description. Go check it out and get yourself something nice. Like a car that could make you the coolest person.